Hello, I am Quincy with SmartBots, and in this video, I will show you how I improved my customer service messages from this. Oh my god, how do people in Second Life work with these anyway? It's crazy. To this. Oh yes, that is so much nicer. And I even made it to integrate with Discord. Perfect, man. This will be so much easier for everyone as well. All of this has been done using the SmartBots Support Bot add-on for personal bots. Support Bot add-on allows your bot to act as a receptionist for your customer service team. Every message the Support Bot receives is being distributed amongst your team. All of the messages are also being stored in your add-on's web interface page for better management purposes. And as I mentioned previously, the add-on also includes the integration with Discord and Telegram. So here's how I started. I created an alternative avatar in Second Life and called it Quincy's Support, as you can see right here. I added this avatar as a personal bot with SmartBots and made a payment for it. Afterwards, I went to SmartBots website, clicked on Get Add-ons, clicked on Business Management, found the add-on. Afterwards, I purchased the Support Bot add-on from the SmartBots add-on store. Then I went ahead and started configuring the add-on, which only took me a few minutes. Okay, so go to Bots and Managers, click on my bot's name, enter my Second Life name here. Okay, now I'm added as a manager. After that, I created a Discord server for my business. Okay, so for the sake of the video, we'll just name our Discord server Quincy's server. Perfect. Now let's configure the integration. Then I started integrating the add-on to my Discord server. Alright, so select Discord here and follow the on-screen instructions. After that was done, I sent a test message to my bot to see if the integration was working. Oh, it came through. No way. This will be so much better than handling all these note cards. Awesome. And that was it for today's demonstration video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to subscribe and hit a like button as well. As always, I'm Quincy, and I will see you in the next one.